Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two-part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9, Light and Sound. Question number 1. In dash, sound waves do not travel. Sound waves need material medium to travel. Okay? So that's why in vacuum, sound waves cannot travel. The first answer will be option C. Question number 2. How does a bat finds the food? Actually, we know the bat just emits the sound which cannot be heard by human, but it just it reaches to their prey and come back to the bat. So that's why they just understand where there is the food, because bat also cannot see in the dark, still they are able to find their food. So by with the sound waves only, with the help of the sound waves. The second answer will be option C. Question number 3. Which among the following is correct? Sound do not need a material medium to travel. Sound need a material medium to travel. Speed of the sound is more than the light. No, speed of the light is more. Speed of the light, that is your 3.8 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per hour. Sorry, per second. Kilometer per second. And speed of the sound varies in the solid, liquid, and gases. And solid, it is high, that is your in the solid it is your 5000, okay, meter per second only. Okay, so that's why this is wrong. Sound can travel in air, yes. Sound can travel in solid, liquid, and gas, all three. We can hear a sound production on moon, no, because there is no environment. The third answer will be option C. Question number 4. Light travels in dash path. So you can see with this picture pasted here, this girl can see the light. If the pipe is straight, then she can see the light. But if the light is the tube is bent, so she cannot see the light of the candle. Why? Because light always travels in the straight path. Okay? This is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Question number 5. In which of the following sound will be produced? When we hit the table with a pen, there will be sound. When we beat the drum with a stick, there will be sound. When we speak loudly, there will be sound. The answer will be your all of them. The fifth answer is D. Question number 6. Waves which ranges from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz cannot be heard by human being. It can be heard by human being. This is wrong, because the human being can hear 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz sound. Below this we cannot hear. This is your infrared, and over this, that is ultrasound, we cannot hear this. So is hearing range of the human beings? Yes, you can say. Hearing range of the bat? No. Hearing range of the bat is more than 20,000 hertz. Okay, and the dolphins also. The sixth answer will be option B. Question number 7. Dash objects gives out light. So which objects gives out light? The luminous object which gives us the light. Those are your luminous object. Okay. Question number 8. Band of 7 colors obtained through dispersion is called. So this one is known as spectrum. The band of 7 colors is known as spectrum. Eighth answer will be option D. Okay. Question number 9. Bouncing of light rays after striking a surface is the bouncing back. When the light fall on the surface, that is known as incidence. When it is just reflected back, that is known as reflection. So ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. Smoked glass is an example of. So this is the picture of the smoked glass we can see, and this is translucent object, means through which light can pass partially. Okay. So 10th answer will be option B. Question number 11. Which among the following is not a transparent object? Cellophane. So this is the cellophane paper and it is transparent. Glass is also transparent. Frosted glass is not transparent. We cannot see beyond the frosted glass, or we can see visibly. You can say it translucent, not the transparent. Diamond is the transparent. Option C will be the correct answer. 11th answer is option C. Question number 12. According to the law of reflection, if the angle of incidence is 40 degree, then the angle of reflection is. Actually, angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and the normal. This is 40 degree, and according to the law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So that's why angle of reflection will be also 40 degree. That is your C. The 12th answer is option C. Question number 13. How many colors are there in white light? In white light, there are 7 colors. That is your Vibgyor. V for violet, I for indigo, P for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Okay? So Vibgyor, so option will be C. 13th answer is option C. Question number 14. Splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a prism is called. So passing through a prism is known as dispersion. 14th answer will be option B. And this dispersion is due to refraction. Okay. Question number 15. A shadow is formed on the dash side of the light source. You can see light source is coming from this side and shadow is made in the opposite side. Object is here to opposite side. That's why option A. 15th answer is option A. Question number 16. Which among the following is correct? White light is the combination of 7 colors. Correct. Light always travel in straight line. Correct. Light can travel in vacuum also. Yes. The 16th answer will be option D. Question number 17. Which phenomenon is shown in the given figure? So there is the splitting of the light and this is known as dispersion. Okay? The 17th answer will be option B. Question number 18. In a thunderstorm, light reaches first to the earth's surface, then the sound, because the speed of the light is more than the speed of the sound. Okay? The speed of the sound equal to light? No, speed of the light much more than the speed of the sound. The 18th answer will be option B. Question number 19. Which among the following colors is not constituent color of the white light? So violet is the constituent color, green is also, and red is also, but black is not. So 19th answer will be option C. Question number 20. If we see an image of a flying bird on the surface of water, then the reflecting surface is image of the bird. This is the image, flying bird taken and on the water. The water's reflecting surface is the water surface only, not the bird body. The 20th answer will be your option A. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.